in the real world, data does not line up beautifully. So if I'm randomly doing data and going to check out some data, not everything is going to go in a linear relationship. And so when first I would go out and collect data, then I would plot it and see what's happening to see if I can make a prediction. And when I plot those, that's called a scatter plot, and that's what these are. All three of these are scatter plots. And then I'm going to look at them and I'm going to see if I can make a prediction. Okay? When I have this set of data, I'm going to draw, and this is not a formal term, I'm going to call what I call is a railroad track. And then when I draw a railroad track, I'm going to draw halfway in between, and I'm going to look at just the red line. Okay? And remember when we were graphing, and we graphed, and we had, and you said, hey, this has a positive slope, and this has a negative slope. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use this information to name this. So when I draw the railroad tracks and I draw a line halfway in between and it mimics a positive slope, I'm going to say that it's a positive correlation. As I travel from left to right, the x's are increasing and the y's are increasing. And that's what makes it a positive correlation. The next graph I'm going to look at, and again I'm going to draw railroad tracks, and what I'm doing is I'm drawing it where the majority of the dots are in between the railroad tracks.